What's new on Facebook today? Wow, Grace posted some really awesome phone cases that she made. I wonder how I can get one.
I know. I'll message Sienci Labs.
Hi there, I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about CNC milling with our Mill 1 machine. Create anything on the design software of your choice. Run it through a CAM software and you're ready to start carving. Now just sit back and relax while your machine does its work. With the Mill 1, the creative possibilities are endless. You can mill wood, styrofoam, and even metal. We provide the quality and accessibility, and you provide the creativity. So what are you waiting for? Come join the maker community.
Okay, let's do it. Now I can mill my own 3D phone case.